Que lo que? It is Ronin the Traveler. Man, we got a different kind of video here today, man. I told you guys, this channel is your channel. So whatever you come to me with, I try to answer it. So we got a brother Jerry from Texas. He said, look, man, I've been talking to this Dominican chick, man, and this is weird. Things done got serious. She want me to come meet her family. Man, what do I need to do? Because I live in Texas, man. We have Mexicans. I don't know anything about Dominicans, man. Can you help? Look, man, I can help I'll share with you my experience, man. I've met a couple of families, man. And one thing I can tell you about meeting a Dominican woman's family, man, Dominicans, man, they have a rich and vibrant culture, man. And family plays a critical role. And it's like that in Latin America, man. Family is everything. And this goes into the vetting a woman. Look, the woman come from a good family, she has something right. Family is the cornerstone, man. If the woman's family's out, and it's the same thing in the United States, man. The reason why you see a lot of things in the United States are off, because the family dynamic is breaking down. Family is very important. And I'm gonna tell you, coming over here, and it's hot as hell. I had to redo this video. I had to redub it because this Dominican heat hits a whole different way. But let me tell you, man, I'm gonna give you a couple of tips. Tip number one, you're gonna be cool, man. The warm welcome. One thing you can expect from a Dominican family, if she comes from a good family, Dominican family will be warm and they will give you a heartfelt welcome, man. Dominican families are known for their hospitality, man, and friendliness, man. And so you get ready, man, for genuine smiles. The men will give you firm handshakes, and you will immediately feel a part of the family, man. Dominicans are some of the best people on the planet, man. Tip two, this is things I've learned. Look, the key to having a good encounter, man, respect the elders of the family, man. In Dominican culture, man, it's essential to show respect to the elders, man. Engage in polite conversations, man. Remember, man, first impressions matter. You want to have yourself straight. You want to carry yourself straight, conduct yourself. You know, you don't want to be the arrogant American or foreigner, arrogant gringo. You come in there looking down on people because you're coming into a different world. You're going to come into the places, man. Some of the people are going to have 10 rules, man. I remember meeting a chick and she lived outside of Santo Domingo, her family and stuff. And man, they lived in a very humble house. Very, man. It was like next level type stuff, but I definitely respected the people, and they were some of the best people I had met, man. And like, I'm in there thinking about like African American culture, a family reunion. It's just how I felt. Like I was at a Latino Tyler Perry movie being over there, and I just felt great. They never made me feel any kind of way. The people were spectacular. And then he said, how do I dress? Man, just dress just like you dress. Dress modest, man. The people are cool. You're not going to have to really worry about it. That's tip, man. Dress appropriately for the situation. Y'all coming out there, you just relax, cool out, man. And it's going to be okay, man. Look, this is another tip, tip 4. And I'm going to try to do this video a little shorter, man. This is what I do. Bring a thoughtful gift, like to the family. It's your first time meeting them. Once you find out mom, dad alive, I always bought the mom some flowers, or I bought a cake. I would bring Presidentes I would bring a 12-pack. I would bring food, whatever. Talk to your partner, the chick that you're meeting up with. Ask her what's the appropriate for you to bring, because she's going to give you the insight to her family, man. Look, this is another tip. Tip 5, man. Make sure you engage in conversations with the family. Do not go sit in the corner somewhere, man. Engage, man. Connect with all the family, because it's very important. One, because let me tell you, you got you a good woman, and the family stamp you, man, you in for something that you haven't saw in America in a long time, man. A family dynamic, man, that is great. That atmosphere will be off the chain. I'm telling you, you don't have to leave with your wallet. Just come in there and do conversation. And they're going to ask you many different things about America and life. And I just interacted with them, man. Next thing, man, this number 6 tip, that food appreciation, man. Indulge in some of this delicious Dominican cuisine, man. They're going to offer you so much different food. Remember, you're the guest of honor, man. They're going to appreciate you, man. And just express enjoyment of the food, man. Because compliments about the cooking will go a long way. And this kind of going to the tip number 7, man. Look, show interest in the culture. Man, ain't nothing in the world demonstrates an interest in Dominican culture and traditions than you diving all the way in and showing a positive impression, man. And learning a little bit about the background, the history of the culture, man, you in like Flynn. Respect their heritage, man. You know, because sometimes, man, Americans sometimes, we look down on people. A lot of people, man, they don't look down on people, man. I was raised to look at people and see good in everybody that I could, you know. And this goes into the next tip, man. It's number 8. Be yourself, man. Because when we talking about come and meet a woman's family, this ain't no mango thing right here. We talking about the next level. You have found somebody that you really like. Be yourself. Let the people know who you are, man, because people can smell a fake a mile away. Be authentic, man. This can help you connect on a personal level out of this world, man. Being genuine always matters, man. Number 9, listen, language. If you can't speak Spanish perfectly, man, just try, man. Start learning a little Spanish now before you even come to the island. I keep telling you guys, man, learn basic Spanish. You don't want to be stuck with this phone all the time. Because I've had situations, man, like when I first started coming, where you're going to an area that the phone just don't work. The tower's not linking up right, man. You are in a developing country. And if you don't know what you're doing, what you're saying, it can lead to some awkward situations, man. I remember jumping in an Uber. I got in the wrong Uber, and I'm going the wrong direction. And I didn't know any Spanish, and I'm trying to look on the phone. The phone wasn't working. I got through that situation, man, but that was a tense situation, man. So now I can jump in anything. I don't need to pull a phone out. I can say, hey, man, this is where I need to go. And I can talk to them. And you can do this too with just a couple of YouTube videos. Do the YouTube video. Learn the things you need to learn, brother. Look, next tip, this number 10. And this ties into that language. If you don't know what to do, follow her lead, man. Look at her. Don't hesitate to ask your partner for guidance. You know, she's going to offer you some insights to navigate through the situation smoothly, man. Because remember, these chicks want you to succeed, man. And here's the last thing, man. Stay open-minded. You know, just stay, you coming in to have a new interaction, man. Embrace the differences in our cultures, man, and jump in, man. And that's what this all about, meeting the family, man. I have met some awesome Dominican families, man. And believe me, man, they will take you in. You will be one of them. But before you get to this level with a woman, make sure you're ready. Make sure you're ready, man. And, you know, we talk about getting that goddamn out of it. We talk about these things, man. You're traveling to a new culture, man. Respect it. Respect yourself, and you will be fine. I've made many mistakes because I tell you guys, I wasn't ready, but I wouldn't change a minute of it. Being over here has been the greatest thing I have ever had happen to me. Even how hot it is. You look in this video, I'm sweating. Had to redo it. It was hot as camel nuts, but I wouldn't trade it for the world. In the United States, I have a beautiful home, everything. But being over here in this house, man, the power cuts out, this happened, but I have a wonderful Dominican family, man. This woman cooks constantly. Her mom cooks constantly. They just made the whole neighborhood embrace me and welcome me in, man. So you're going to be fine, man. Just, if you're going to be serious with the person, be serious, man. Embrace the culture. So I tell you, man, this is your channel. I create these videos for you guys. Whatever you ask me, I try to answer. Man, look, you need any more? Join the Blue Book Cartel, man. We growing. We almost got 2,000 brothers, man. Different nationalities, different places, man, different languages. I appreciate all you guys, man. You guys are wonderful, man. So like and subscribe to the video. If you have any more questions, send it to Ronin the Traveler at gmail.com. And let me say this. If I don't call you or something, man, it probably mean I forgot. I get hundreds of emails. I got hundreds of WhatsApps. Man, I probably forgot. Just send me a reminder. And if you in my Facebook group, just send me a message, man. So that's all you got to do, man. Shout out to the Blue Book Cartel. We are out.